Hey there, today I have a FASHOM to unbox. So if you're not familiar with FASHOM, it's another one of those online styling services very similar to Stitch Fix, but with FASHOM, well, it's kind of a new service and the styling fee is only $15 and I think your first styling fee is waived. Also, you get 5 items of clothing in the box, but you get a preview with 7 items and you get to actually select which 5 that you want them to send. Another nice thing about FASHOM is that they have a more generous discount. Like if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off, and if you keep the whole box of 5 items, you get 30% off. So I think that's actually a pretty good deal. So anyway, I'll put some information about how FASHOM works up in the description box below. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside, and I have to say this is a very pretty purple. Yeah, and you also get a packet of information, and oh, it says hello beautiful, that's nice, and a prepaid mailer, and I believe it's USPS to send anything you don't want back, and it is USPS priority. And here's a peek at my bundle. It's a little bit busting out, but there it is. Okay, so for FASHOM, you get an invoice with all the items and just a short note from your stylist. And my stylist is Morgan, and I believe she's a stylist I've always had with FASHOM. I haven't done FASHOM as many times as I've done Stitch Fix, and I don't do it as often. So it's more like maybe quarterly. But I've noticed, I think over the last maybe year and a half or so that I've been doing FASHOM, that they have been getting, I think, better and better. And the type of clothes that they have has been more online with items that I've gotten from, say, other services like, say, Natalie Attire and Golden Tote and Mix and Match. I would say I see a lot of the same brands. Okay, so the first item in my box, oh, this is a gorgeous top. Look at this. It's very pretty. It's by the brand Naked Zebra, and it's the V-neck cap sleeve blouse in a size medium, and it's $42. So $42, this is a gorgeous color for fall. It does look a little big. See, that's the problem with me. Like, a lot of times they'll send me a medium, but I'm kind of in between a medium and a small. I usually take like a medium petite, but if it's not a petite size, then I probably should go for a small. But we'll see. This is very pretty and just a beautiful color for fall. It's kind of a very silky material, and I think it feels like a polyester. Yeah, 100% polyester. But yeah, $42, that price is pretty much in line with what you can get from a blouse from Stitch Fix. Oh, you notice it does have this kind of keyhole in the back. It's interesting. Okay, and the next item is this top. I think my husband chose this one. Since I had the preview, I asked him, what do you think? He helped me, helped me decide, because I wanted them to send all 7. Okay, so this one is by Les Amis, and that's a brand I've seen a lot from Golden Tote. And it's the Ruffle top, it's all it says, and it's $45. This is really cute. Actually, I really like this. You see this, it's navy. It has kind of a very cute, looks like calico, I think it's called. It does have this little ruffle sleeve, and it looks like 3/4 and a ruffle on the bottom. Yeah, so I kind of like this, and it's easy to wear. The material feels kind of polyester, but not that kind of silky polyester. It's more woven, but it is 100% polyester. So I don't have a problem with polyester. For me, I like it because it's easy care and it also doesn't wrinkle. Okay, next, and this is the item that I chose first. I really like this. It's a top. Oops, go this way. And it's also by Les Amis, and it's the, what is this? Print top with ties. And it's $39, and I did get a size medium for this. But I love pink, so yeah, this is really something that I'd easily wear. And it has these kind of interesting tie sleeves, which is cute. And yeah, I like it. It's a medium though, so it does look a little big, but I think it'll work for me. Okay, next. Let's see. Oh wow. See, this one I wasn't too sure about. It's a dress. And it's animal print, but I really couldn't tell. Like the picture is very small, so I wasn't sure what the animal print would look like. But it is really cute. And this is by the brand Gilli. It's a size medium. And this is the Gilli sleeveless collared leopard dress. $48. So $48 for this dress. And that's about what Gilli dresses cost. It looks like it's a faux wrap. Yeah, did it say faux wrap? No, but it is a faux wrap, which is good because I don't like true wraps. But yeah, I think this is actually kind of nice. And I think the print is still pretty subtle, so it's not too crazy. And the material, it's not a knit material, it's more of a just a polyester crepe. It does look like it's partially lined in the back. Okay. But that's pretty. Okay, and my last item, let's see, another dress by Gilli. And you'll see, I always get Gilli dresses from Mix and Match, and sometimes from Golden Tote. But look at this one. This one's really pretty. I don't think I have anything like this purpley color. And this one is the Gilli short sleeve floral wrap dress. And this one is a little more expensive than the other one. The other one was $48. This one is $55. And did they send me a medium? Yep, they sent me a medium. So this is actually really cute. And see how it's like it's a faux wrap. And the material is almost like a satin. Is it satin? And it's stretchy, so that'll be comfortable. I think this kind of like satin is in. Yeah, pretty sure. Okay, so that was everything I got in my fashion box this month. And boy, I think I got some really cute things. I'm pretty impressed. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top from Naked Zebra. And I do really like this top, but I think it's too big. I can tell it shifts around too much. And yeah, it's just the style is a very kind of like a flowy style, but it is really cute. I think it's a beautiful color. It's really nice actually. This material, it's just very silky and yeah, you can kind of see. It really does look nice, but it is too big. I think with FASHOM, if you want to exchange for a different size, you can email them and they'll see if there's another size available. But yeah, I do think this is really pretty and it just looks nice with jeans and it's just a very nice fall color. Okay, so here's top number 2. And this is by Leopard. And I really like this. I think it's really cute actually. You know, so it's interesting. It has, although I don't know if I really care for this tie on the sleeve, but you know, it looks okay. It's cute. I bet you could probably just, if you wanted to, undo that. But yeah, I think it is a cute top, and I love pink. It's like longer in the back and short on the front. And let's see what happens if we do a front tuck. Okay, so here it is with the front tuck. And I think that also looks nice. And then that gives you a better proportion, I think. So yeah, I think this is really cute and it looks nice with jeans. I just have the same dark wash jeans, but you could also have either a lighter wash or even white jeans, which is what I would normally wear, but I'm deciding since it's fall, we'll go with dark wash jeans. Okay, so I think this one is probably a keeper. Okay, and here's the third top. And you know, I really like this actually, even though it does have these kind of, I don't know if this is really bell sleeves, but they're, what do you call it, ruffle sleeves. But I mean, it's okay, it's cute, and I think where I'm working now, I could get away with just wearing this top and I don't have to put another layer on because it's not that cold. Yeah, so I think this is cute, and you could just wear it with these dark wash jeans again, or you know, any wash of jeans I think would look nice with this shirt. So it is a very pretty, kind of like a Little House on the Prairie print. Well, I kind of like it, and yeah, I think this one is probably a keeper. And this is another top by Leopard. So I guess with that brand, I think medium must fit me perfect. This one fits. here's the first dress, which is the animal print dress. And this is a size medium, so it is kind of a little big, especially while on top. So I put like a tank top underneath, which that's just how I wear dresses like this, honestly. And I think it looks okay. But yeah, this is a very pretty dress. It's actually pretty comfortable, even though it's not like a knit material. There's like a zipper on the side to help you, so you can get into it. But it's like a faux wrap, and there's like a tie on the side here. And the length, I think, is a good length for me, which is right above the knee. And let's see how it looks with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a denim jacket, and this is just a cut from the cloth, dark denim jacket in a Helena style, so it's like more of a crop jacket. This is the one that I always wear, and I actually have it in white and a medium wash. And yeah, I think that looks really cute. I really do like this dress, actually, and even though it's a little big, I think I would still be able to wear it. We'll see, because I'm thinking if I tried to downsize to a small, I'm not sure how it would fit down here. But anyway, yeah, so this is actually a real possibility, I think. Okay, so here's the second Gilli dress. And I have to say, as the owner of a million dresses, I love this. This dress is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, it's purple, and I don't really have anything purple. I'm not a purple person. I mean, I think in the camera it looks more purple than it does in real life. It's actually more navy than purple. But it's just so pretty, and it's like this kind of a shiny, kind of that satiny look. So this is gorgeous, and I think it's on trend. And I bet you could even like, almost like wear this with like kind of like a bulky sweater or something, and just put it over it, and then this would look almost like a skirt. So yeah, I think this is actually really, really cute. And this one is probably my favorite of the box. It's actually my favorite Gilli dress, almost of all the dresses that I have. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, so I think it was actually another good box. I was really impressed with everything, actually, and I'm gonna have a hard time deciding what to keep. I don't think I'm gonna keep all 5, even though it's tempting. And the total, I'll just go over the invoice real quick, was $229 for 5 items. But if I were to buy all 5 items, I'd get 30% off, and that would bring it down to $160.30. So I would say, price-wise, this box of 5 items is very similar to what I would spend with Stitch Fix, actually, because the subtotal is pretty much around what my average is with Stitch Fix. The only thing is the discount is a little better. You get 30% off versus 25 if you keep all 5. But the big difference, I think, for me is that I don't have to keep all 5 to get a discount. I can still just keep 3 to 4 items and get 25% off. So I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. So I just have to decide what I'm gonna keep. I mean, I actually, this is the kind of top I always look for or would choose, because I love pink. And I think this is actually a very cute top. And I also like this kind of polyester, believe it or not. It's kind of a woven polyester, just because it washes well. It'll look new no matter what, I mean, almost no matter what, I think this is something I'm leaning on keeping. This top is the same type of material, and I actually really like this top too. And this is by the same brand, Les Amis, which, yeah, I've seen from Golden Tote. So yeah, I think this is very cute. This one was a little more. It was $45. So yeah, I mean, but even with a discount, it would be like 30 something. I'm kind of on the fence about this dress with the animal print. I think it actually is really cute. So let me know what you think, if you guys like this dress. It was kind of different. I don't know if I have any animal print dresses, or do I? I don't think I do. But this one was a navy animal print with some brown, and it had actually a collar, and I think it looked really nice with the dark denim jacket. So I'm considering this, even though, yeah, it was very big on top, but I could work with it. And this dress I really, really like. I think it's just really, really pretty. I love this material. I think this one is a definite keeper. This one was the most expensive item in the box. It was $55. Yeah, but I just really like it. I don't think it actually looks as nice in the pictures, because I think in person it just looks better, because this purple is actually more navy, I think, in person. But yeah, I do really like this. I think this is going to be a keeper. This top, you know, I think this is it's a pretty top, and it's kind of a nice basic, but it is a little too big. So yeah, I think for me this is, even though it's beautiful, I think I'm going to have to pass on this. Okay, so that's all I have for today's FASHOM unboxing, and you know, I was really impressed, and I continue to be impressed actually with this service. The service has gotten better over time, and I am impressed with the items that I've been receiving and the brands that they've been sending. So yeah, I think it's a good one. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I'm gonna call one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. And everybody's sleeping except Kaya. Kaya, are you sleeping? No, she's up. Come, Kaya. Okay, and here's Miss Kaya. Hey, Kaya. And my 2 dogs, we went to Petco and bought them new collars. So Kaya, I think she just matches in pink, so we always get her pink, but this collar is just way too big. Shucks. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.